G'day and welcome to day 12 of the 12 days of stitches. Today is the day we finally get to open the last box, see what's inside, come up with 3 new patterns for you to vote from, and also see the results from day 11. So let's dig in. So now let's talk about day 11 voting. We put out a poll a while ago and came up with a clear winner, which was the houses pattern. But we discovered there wasn't enough contrast between the houses themselves and the background. So we put out a new poll to see how you would like to resolve this issue. And so we put out 3 options, which was A, to leave it as is, B, to replace the background with all white fabric, and C, replace the background with white fabric, but also change the roofs to all black fabric as well. And the clear winner for this one was, with a 67% majority, was replace the background with white fabric and also replace the rooftops with black fabric. If we left it as is, they look more like tents, but with the black fabric, it makes it look more like a roof. And it's interesting to see how just changing a color makes a big difference in this pattern. Now it is time to see what you've all been waiting for. Let's see what's inside box number 12. What do you think it is? We've gone through all the colors of the rainbow. We've done black, we've done white, we've done brown. What's left? Let's take a look and see. Box 12. Open it up. Wow. Looks like all the colors of the rainbow. Let's take a closer look. This time around we have a bunch of multicolor, which I think is really fun. What a wonderful way to finish off the event. So this is the first one here, and this one is actually all different colors. I think this one's really, really neat. After that we have this one here, which is a beautiful florals. I really, really like this one. The next one follows the floral theme and is here. And then also this one here, it's just like a nice pastel flowers, is what I like to think it is. We continue the floral theme with the next one, right there. And then this one's just interesting. It's like all these little eyes. I think that one's super, super fun. And then more florals. If you don't like florals, this one would not have been for you, I don't think. But I'm really enjoying these. And then almost looks like some multicolored moons or some really cool planets. Got 4 more to show you, and more floral type things. And this one's probably one of my favorites. I just love all the colors in this one here. And then another nice pastel-y type floral thing. And then finally, let's all go to the seaside and get some seashells. Let me know in the comments what you think of these. I think this is a really fun collection. And so now it is time to reveal the 3 different patterns that I've come up with, and for you to vote on which one is your favorite. Whichever one gets the most votes will be the one that I make. The first one is one that I'm going to call flags, because it looks like a row of flags all flying in the night sky. And I've done a high contrast background for each of these. The next one is one that I'm going to call Starry Night, because to me it looks like 4 stars and then also like a moon or a planet in the middle. Yeah, I'm using my imagination here, but I think it looks cool. And then finally is one I'm going to call Vines. It looks like 3 vines growing up into the sky, all with colourful backgrounds. Kind of reminds me of Jack and the Beanstalk, but you know me and Jack, we're good mates. So anyway, to vote, what you need to do is go over to the Google form. The link for that will be in the description and also be a pinned comment. And you have until about 6 p.m. tomorrow night, Saturday, and then I'll reveal the results on my Sunday morning podcast. So jump in, get your voting in done as quickly as you can, so that way your vote will count. I really hope you've enjoyed this series. It's been a lot of fun. I plan to come back one more time to show you the completed quilt top once it's all done. And so if you've enjoyed this, please tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear what you thought of this. If you did enjoy the video, hit that like button, tell a friend, and I hope you'll have a great day. Happy sewing, and we'll see you next time. Bye.